Massive teeth. Relentless force. Total mayhem. This isn't your average shredder show. This is raw industrial power at its finest. We're talking high torque, flying splinters, and mechanical madness. Buckle up. Let's crush it. This is it, folks. The calm before the shred. Get ready for a front row seat to raw power as twin shaft shredders tear through everything. Watch how torque, blade alignment, and material resistance all play a role in every snap and crunch. Which design do you think handles the toughest loads out there best? Running this Arden shear feels different. With 6,000 plus pounds of crushing force and a compact 3-ton build, the Arden CDCU 031 hits the sweet spot for precision and punch. The jaw design is genius, optimized for dense concrete. And that quick change feature saves hours in the field. Just pure power. Now that's what I call a beast. The LT-110 chomps through granite like it's breakfast cereal. With that huge 43-inch by 33-inch jaw, it doesn't blink at boulders. Metso really knew what they were doing with this one. That smelled like trouble, even through the screen. Y'all ever seen something that nasty come out of a machine like that? We're witnessing the powerful final stage for millions of vehicles annually. The journey from road car to reusable scrap is surprisingly brutal. Right before your eyes, decades of horsepower meet their violent end in seconds. Metal screams, glass flies, and nothing is left untouched. It's messy, loud, and relentless. And honestly, that's peak applied engineering. You're looking at the John Deere 1910G. This isn't just a forwarder, it's a hauling beast. With a clembank grapple, it's dragging nearly 39 feet of raw timber like it's nothing. Precision, power. This is high-volume logging at its finest. Here we see high-efficiency chipping systems at their finest. These wood chippers are optimized for continuous operation, powerful engines, auto-feed rollers, and precision cutting blades. Perfect for turning variable wood sizes into firewood with minimal waste and max output. Industrial-grade excellence. Is this what 2.4 inches of industrial-grade destruction looks like? Because it's oddly hypnotic. How long can those cutters last under this kind of load? Somewhere out there, a car just lived its last 45 seconds in pure terror. Can you imagine the torque on those knives? Absolute beast mode. The folding boom design is genius. The Woodcracker CL190, a heavy-duty tree shear, turns the compact Mechalac 6 MCR, a 13,000-pound crawler excavator, into a forestry scalpel, cutting 10-inch trees with precision while moving at 6 miles per hour. That's serious efficiency for tight spaces. No need for a whole fleet anymore. This one unit covers multiple jobs. Impressive engineering. That chipper just said, "I quit." Need a beast of a wood chipper in the Rhine-Main area? If you're tackling big jobs, check out Bayer Meat Service. Their MH190A, a Schlesing 235MX, shreds branches up to 7.5 inches thick. That 360-degree chute for loading directly onto a trailer? Huge time saver on site. Definitely worth renting for serious clearing projects. It's like a monster from a movie, steel teeth tearing through metal like tissue paper. You can feel the raw power through the screen. Man, watching the Komar EM40 auger eat those pallets alive is straight up satisfying. That slow twist, the crushing sounds, it's like therapy for woodworkers. I could watch this all day. I wish I had one of these for my old mattress last year. Would have saved me so much hassle trying to wrestle it to the curb. This M120 makes getting rid of bulky junk look almost fun. Forget dump runs, just shred it. How much does renting one cost? It's satisfying to see bulky trash get shredded down to bits instead of ending up in a landfill. The M&J 4000M is doing the dirty work that keeps our planet cleaner. These machines aren't just powerful, they're essential. What happens to the mountain of tires change daily. They likely meet a Hamel shredder like this one. Think about the incredible volume these machines must handle, thousands of pounds per hour. It's a critical operation managing a constant stream of scrap tires, preventing them from becoming environmental hazards scattered across the landscape. Mind-boggling scale.
Ticket смотреть.
That shredded aluminum is headed straight to casting or extrusion. This is step 1 in turning scrap into new aircraft parts or soda cans. Full circle manufacturing. Wow, almost 1,700 pounds for PET and over 1,600 pounds for HDPE. That's some serious compaction. Those heavy, dense bales maximize truckload weights, which is key for profitability. Curious how it performs consistently across different plastic types. That perfect rhythm of destruction, and the way cans just vanish. It's oddly relaxing. Making quick work of those. Bet this is awesome for prepping large amounts of animal feed or speeding up composting. That shredded consistency looks perfect for breaking down fast. Way faster than chopping by hand. That crunch? 10 out of 10 impact delivery. Don't let the compact size fool you. This little beast has serious bite. The tracks give it great grip on rough ground, and the engine just won't quit. Perfect for those hard-to-reach backyard stumps. This is a crucial first step for responsible e-waste recycling. Shredding computers like this allows for easier separation of valuable materials. Metals like copper, aluminum, gold, and plastics can be recovered more efficiently. It prevents toxic heavy metals from leaching into landfills.
DC tower. Top computer.
Those cutters must be hardened steel. No way they're slicing drums like that without serious bite. And the torque? Insane. Would love to see the internals of this beast. Industrial engineering at its finest. What really stands out in this operation is the complete system integration. It begins with the VB950DK, a powerhouse shredder built to tear through even the toughest scrap metal. From there, the MMS150DK handles the sorting and screening with impressive precision. Finally, the MFB800E ensures smooth material flow, keeping everything moving without delays. This is what makes it truly exceptional. Could this be the coolest way to recycle aluminum? It's fast, clean, and so dang fun to watch. Turning scrap into something useful. Quality matters in recycled metals. Shredding is awesome because it helps knock out contaminants before melting. This means you get cleaner, purer metal with higher value. Better quality scrap leads to better end products and fetches a higher price. It's impressive. Tracked mobility, remote control, and an auto-reverse conveyor. That's a dream combo when you're deep in the woods. The MRC 3000 is compact enough to squeeze into tight job sites, but tough enough to crush big logs. This thing's a beast, and it's smart too. Project car heaven right here. Bessler sounds legit as the Midwest's top salvage yard. With thousands of parts, there's a real chance that one rare widget is just waiting to be found. Cheap and high-quality used parts? Sounds like the perfect weekend treasure hunt. Anyone ever score something truly rare from there? This kind of on-site grinding is a game changer. No more hauling big debris across towns. Saves fuel, saves time, and clears space fast. Industrial ASMR right there. That drum cutter design is slick, catches the cans and pulls them in clean. No bounce, no jam. The Bowmatic B300 looks compact, but packs serious force. A great choice for any material recovery facility. Loaded or not, those boards are toast in seconds. This machine is perfect for e-waste sites where space and speed matter. 20 horsepower might not sound crazy, but it sure gets the job done. Twice the drum size, nearly 50% more torque than four-cylinder competitors. The Bandit 18 XP isn't playing around. That 19.75 inches by 20.5 inches opening swallows crotchy limbs like it's nothing. You need power that doesn't stall under pressure, and this chipper delivers every time. Bandit built a workhorse that chews through what others choke on. From the forest to the scrapyard, GreenTech covers it all. Subscribe now for wild machines, extreme demolitions, and the most satisfying destruction videos online. Let's crush the next one together.